everyone, my name is Machine with MarineMax Miami. I'd love to welcome you aboard the 27 STX Outboard. She's powered with a Mercury 300 horsepower engine. Verado, love this model. Great propulsion for a boat of this size. Up here on the sun pad area, it's quite nice because you have two configurations of seating and tons of storage down below, with a convenient pull-out freshwater washdown shower. And cooler storage for your beverages back here as well. You have a nice side walk through and a step ladder for when the tide goes down. Nice ski pylon as well, even though this 27 option does come with the sports tower. This is a beautiful gray stone configuration. Love the color on this. It hides dirt really well. Very comfortable in the cockpit area, tons of space and seating for your guests. We also have a cockpit table that can go there, plumbed cup holders. And what's nice is that these seats can alternate forward and back, so that way you have two areas of entertainment. At the helm, she features a Simrad chart plotter display, Fusion Bluetooth audio. You also have your windlass anchor controls and lighting controls there as well. At the bow, as you see, it's very spacious seating. You have your armrest set up right here, and you have an optional table for the bow area as well, so you can enjoy your nice snacks and sandwiches while you're enjoying the day out on the sandbar. The 27 also features a spacious head compartment as well. And it's just the perfect sandbar boat. If you want any more information on this or any one of our boats, please contact us at 305-316-0627. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.